Hello friends, today we're opening One Piece card game. This is the Devil Fruit Collection Volume 3. I got this one probably last year and then it was in my storage for a while and I almost forgot. And it's not in very great condition, but I got it for like 19 bucks. So yeah, let's open it and see what we got. Most of the time, I'm opening Pokemon and Gundam card game. I figure out that Bandai actually has better card stocks for their card games. So, yeah, I'm switching a lot more to Gundam card games now instead of Pokemon because, for one thing, it's getting more expensive and, well, I mean, Pokemon is doing a much better job. Smaller sets, not any resale values. Like Chaos Rising. Yeah, I did not get any. I do have a booster box of the Chaos Rising, but I probably will keep it. Yeah, just switching a little bit more to Bandai's Gundam game. But I mean, I have a One Piece box, so I might as well just open it to show you guys what you will get from this series. So you got a very nice, I think this is a love fruit, something, I can't remember, but yeah, if you watch One Piece, let me know what this fruit is called. It serves as a deck box, I believe. You get some nice stone cards. Comes with sleeves. Very lovely dome cards. And then just 3 OP12. I only opened limited numbers of One Piece cards, so wish me luck. Oh, oh yeah, I forgot it's Bandai cards. It's not Pokemon, so you can open from side. Also not too clear about the rarity of One Piece cards, so let's just wish me luck. Asshole. Ishole. Sorry, I don't mean Carmen. Poker. Mizurka. Kozuki. Kuzan. Valve Burst. Sanji. And the texture is also very interesting because it's different from either Pokemon nor Gundam card games. Anyone playing One Piece, leave in a comment if any one of those are hits. Ippo Matsu, Crocodile, Don Quickstep, blah blah blah, Baby 5, Bastille, Two Sword Style, Rush Honon, Virgo, Nako Mamushi, Color of Observation Haki, Emperor Ivankov, Calgara, looks like it's foil or it's probably just normal. Kuzan, and that's it. Yeah, this is a foil card. I don't know if it worth anything. Last pack. Do I have last pack magic? I mean, I don't play One Piece, so I don't even know what the rarities are. But they do have better card stocks compared to Pokemon. Buggy, Hinama, Django, Helmepo, Ursa Shock, Guy Kimaru, Color of Arms Haki, Edward Newgate, Quina, King, Don Quixote Rosin, but I'm just pronouncing it randomly. This is another foil. Ooh, this looks like very beautiful. Bartholomew Kuma. I checked the price later, but it feels like this is a hit I got today. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. I may open some more packs in the future. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.